Good evening, sir. Good evening, everyone. I am Mark Vizcarra, Basic Criminology second year from Eastern Philippine University. This is my reaction for the sixth video. First video, my reaction to this video is I am being confused for what the suspect doing the victim, because in his solution to this problem is to kill someone and to get revenge for not involving him to their project. So he decided to poison the victim for satisfaction. This is a clip for
Court may kinalaman ang pagpatay sa rights na nakuha ng Yusu sa Netflix para sa pag-produce ng Three Body Problem. Kasali si Lin bilang executive producer pero wala ang pangalan ni Yao sa Netflix deal. Dahil sa pang-etsepuera kay Yao, pinagplanuhan niya ang paglason kay Lin sa isang laboratorio. Nilagyan niya ng nakakalason na pills ang bote ng...
the second video titled Hunting KGB Killer. I feel sad for Letvinons because dead because he was poisoned because he did not want to accept the order of Russian organization because he was the leader of or chief of KGB and good prisoners. That's why they planned to poison him, torture him, and slowly kill him with polonium-210 mixed in the tea. And because of Litvinovsky testimony, he said who poisoned him and who ordered to poison him, and the ones who ordered him to poison him was Vladimir Putin, because their organization, he already know a lot of information about their organization. And another reason why Litvinovsky was poisoned and died because of his ability to reveal everything he know about their organization. One of the most main reason for killing Litvinovsky, he revealed in first conference all the corruptions and political gain. All that is why they planned to kill him by poisoning, because at the investigator it was found out who killed Litvinovsky and captured go to the prison.
Police were desperate to prove conclusively that Litvinenko had died from polonium poisoning. 8 days after his death, Britain's top pathologist finally examined the body.
The autopsy was a difficult, dangerous procedure. Levels of polonium that were
In the third video, titled "This Man Committed Murder 7 Times." My reaction to this video is very strange because man is so dangerous. He killed all his wife to desire to take all property of his wives and desire to get money or benefits. When he was got to kill his wife, he will look for his another victim and do the same of his first wife, the poisoner, and nothing else do but look for a victim to kill or poison. All of this case is declared an accident, but because of the same case, same procedure, killing and repeated action of poisoner, he was caught and imprisoned, sentenced for death. For the money and benefits, he need to kill innocent people for satisfaction. Different type of person for different victim. Based on video.
Sergeant Harold White on July the 27th, 1967, charged with the murders of Zeller, his nephew Bernie, and seventh wife Mary.
This is the fourth video, the 6 deadly poisons. My reaction to this video, I guess I get some idea, information of kinds of poisons. Also, I know other types of toxic acids or poison, but these 6 different poisons are very dangerous for people, especially children. So we must know the different types of poisons because they are dangerous. And these 6 types of poisons are the ones that are usually used by poisoners. They are the 6
Are 6 poisons that at various times throughout
Fifth video titled Prisoner. Poisoners targets innocents. My reaction to this video is that I feel sad for the man who is repeatedly poisoned by his wife, who does not know the reason why he keeps poisoning. The man is not rich, but his wife keeps poisoning him because of the repeated incidents of always being rushed to the hospital without knowing what illness that man had. His samples sent to toxologists, they found out that his wife is repeatedly poisoning him. Maybe because jealous or insecurities. The woman was always also caught for same case of poisoning, whereas her ex-husband and his present husband. Is the video.
In the end, there was only one logical suspect, one probable killer.
I have a warrant for your arrest.
The last video is Guilty Death, case closed. The reaction to this video was pity for a father who was looking for his good life and he was killed by his own son because of this money and property. This case has not been touched for a long time, and investigators found out in piece together the incidents and evidence proved that he poisoned his father. It is very painful because his own son would kill and poison him for the money and property. Ito yung video
Police
ng
district already
Blason.
considers the case closed. Investigators believe they have enough evidence to file double murder and attempted murder charges against Lloyd Abrigo,
Kaso,
the son of the owner of the Ergot Cham milk tea shop. This includes his shutting down of the shop's CCTV system.
thank you for watching, and that's all. God bless.